vowels are usually not pronounced. A famous teacher, teacher. So a teacher but teachers, teachers. Chos, chos, teachers. But teacher, teacher. So he is a great teacher. There are many teachers, teachers, rivers, rivers, teachers. What I can say in general, in total, in particular, what I can say in general is that we all are fond of beauty. The cat, you studied in primary, in high school, a cat is fond of milk. So you are fond of beauty. A young boy is fond of beauty. But an old man is fond of virtues, virtues, virtues. So as you are a young boy, you are fond of a girl's beauty. But when you get old, you will be fond of her virtues, lot of virtues. After long counting, the amount amounts to Taka. This can also be BDT. BDT is Bangladesh, Bangladeshi Taka, BDT. So Taka 60 in total, in aggregate, in particular, like that. I'm more comfortable, comfortable or comfortable, comfortable or comfortable. I'm more comfortable or I'm more comfortable in grammar, grammar, in particular, in grammar. Okay, so you can say this is better. I'm comfortable with grammar. I'm comfortable with his behavior. I'm comfortable with this office environment. I'm comfortable with grammar. So this is difficult. You don't put E. This is a common mistake. So grammar, grammar, in particular, in general, in total, in particular, particularly, totally, in total, particularly, in particular, generally, in general, totally, in total, then any other part. So singular, any other part, singular. I visit my friends' houses. So one house, if it is then house, one house, but houses, something like this, houses. So I visit my friends' houses, especially. So it's very careful, be careful, especially. So I come on Monday, I come on Saturday, especially on Tuesday, but I have a special purpose, special motive. This is special. It's a special shirt. It's a special day. It's a special occasion, but especially on special occasions. Television, like treasure, measure, treasurer, measurer. So occasion, special occasions. Robin comes to NUB, Northern University, Bangladesh. I was working there. Robin comes to NUB usually at midday. Robin comes to NUB usually at midday. It's at 12 p.m. So he comes usually at 12 p.m. Alright, that's it for now. Hope I'll finish with more cases. I'll give you more videos on this. Okay, take care. Bye.